As we have implemented our producer, now let's create a new project to implement our consumer. So let me give it code text consumer and Java 11. Let me okay, and here I need to give it code text. Next, let me select Lombok DevTool. From here I select web, and obviously from the messaging I am selecting Kafka Stream, Apache Kafka Stream. I think these two will be fine. And here stream I select Cloud Stream. And let's create our project. Our project is created. I go here and in the resource, let's delete this one. This is not needed. Application.properties, what I shall do, I shall copy the whatever we have in the code text producer. From here, let me copy everything, because we are connecting to the same Kafka instance, and make it 9002. This thing will be exactly same. Here this is same, topic is fine. Here in this case, here I need to make some changes. So here I keep, I just say that bank says consumer. Okay, so basically I need to create a method in some of my code. The method name should be bank message consumer, and that message Spring Cloud Stream will use to consume the message. From where it will consume, so I am giving it here. Now it is reading, it is not producing, but it is reading from the topic. So I'll give it in, and topic will be the same. So scenario here is that our producer will produce, out means produce the message into this credit card application topic, and here is our consumer. Our consumer will read it. In means it will read from credit card application topic. So that's the thing, that's the only change we need to make. Now let's quickly create few package and write some of our code. Message gateway, and here I just create a class microservices listener, and what I can do, I just copy paste few things from the old from the producer. I put it here, and here I need to write a method. Now this method, what it will be, public consumer. This is a Java util function. Consumer means it will not return anything, but it will receive some input from the outside world. So here let me give it this one, and now we need to give the method name. Oh, what will be the method name? Method name will be the same whatever we have given the function. So let's give the method name. It will, what it will do, here we just, let's create the bank event, new package, say event, and here I create the class bank event within the event package, and this what it will do, it will receive the same message that in the producer is produced, so it must have the same property. So I'm just string dot message and producer, I just put it here, and obviously from producer let me take those getters and setters and put it here. That's it. Now we come to the listener. Sorry. Yes, and here we just write a log expressions. So what will be our log expression? So it will return a consumer, correct? So what we can do, we will return bank event and here we just write log dot info and say receive the message as, and let me give what is this message. Message should be bank event dot get message. So basically and obviously so here what we did, we give our Kafka configurations, everything. Then I am telling that Spring Cloud Stream that you check this method, okay? And I am telling that this particular method will read the message from a particular topic. So here few things. This topic name, the topic where producer is produced, out means produced, and from here the consumer is reading, this topic name has to be the same. And second thing, whatever the message event that we are consuming and whatever the event that we are producing, they should have the similar properties. Name you can give, instead of bank event you can give any other name, does not matter. So let's do one thing. Let's run our producer. And meantime producer is running. Let me go here and run. Skip tests. Let me build this one. So our producer is already up and running. Let's see here, and it is started producing the messages also. Okay, now let me see in our consumer, it is fine. Let me run the consumer applications. If everything goes fine and if it is able to read successfully, then you will get this log message to the message queue. Let me clear it and let's see whether this message is coming here or not. It will take some time. Oops, sorry, I made a mistake. And this is a common mistake I always made. I need to give bin. That's the problem. Now let me run it again. Let's see. Now it's starting. So we are getting an error. At least bank event, although at least one creator is executed. So I think we made some mistake here. So let's see what I made. Okay, I think here in the consumer side, builder will not work. We need to give all argument constructor and no argument constructor. That's the thing we need to give. Now let me run it again. Because Kafka is unable to, consumer is unable to create this message, this object. So it is looking for a default constructor. So no argument constructor should be fine, but I have just given all argument constructor also. Now you can see yes, and you can see it is started receiving this message. Let me clear it again, and you can see this one. So it is receiving the messages. Whatever consumer is producing, producer is producing here, consumer is consuming these messages, and that way we have established our Kafka producer and consumer with Confluent Kafka. So let me quickly recap those things again. What we did, we use Kafka stream, Spring Guard stream, Kafka binder, and binder Kafka stream. These are the few dependencies we have added. Then in the application.properties, what we did, we take the same properties what is provided to us here. If I go here and learn, you will find it from here. See all clients, select your environment, cluster, continue, Spring Boot. From here I copied everything. I created my Kafka key and also I copied it everything from here. Then these properties we put it, and then here we are giving Spring Cloud stream that this is my Kafka server. I am telling that you create a topic. Here I am calling a function that this function you will call, or this method you will call to publish the message, and here I am telling that for this method out means publish, in this topic you publish. So our Kafka is gone and it will create this particular topic. And then we write a method class here publisher bin and give the same method name, what name I have given here. This is critical. So we did it, and whatever it is returning, this method, this is Spring Cloud stream is publishing into this Kafka topic. Okay. Now if I look into the consumer, what consumer we did, we keep the same Kafka configurations here. All these things are same. Here I am giving that bank message consumer is the method which will consume, and in this method I am telling that it will consume from the Kafka topic credit application. This is same topic where producer is publishing, from here consumer is reading. Now I go here and we just write a consumer functions and it is returning, and we are able to get the message. So this is how we have implemented asynchronous communication and between two microservices using Kafka. So that's for these sessions, and we shall come into the next session with a new topic. Thank you. If this helps, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.